Hi everyone, quick video today. HP Slate 10 Plus, actually made by Huawei. Problem with this one is the USB port wasn't allowing it to be charged. So aluminium backed, how do we get into it? Well, with this item, you go in from the front. You need to prise the screen out of the housing by using a tool around the edge. Once you've done that, you can actually get into the slate, and then in this corner you have the small board with the charging port, earphone port and vibrator. Take out, pull out, replace. About £6-7 off eBay, China, because it's a Huawei.